Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to discuss about English language. It is found that most of the students are good at English. Some are deficiency or poor in English. But it is found that most of the students are unable to speak in English. What is the main reason why they cannot speak in English? There, according to my views, there are so many reasons are there. The first reason is English is not our mother tongue. It is an international language. But you remember, if you try to speak something English instead of Odia or Hindi, you will be able to speak in English without any preparation. For example, if you want to know some things present in your kitchen room, first you enter your kitchen room, then you try to know the names of the utensils, names of the vegetables, whatever the things we use in your kitchen room. Then you go to your study room. You collect some names of the things present in your study room. Then you go to your bedroom. You try to know the names of the things present in the bedroom. Then you try to your dining table. Try to know the names of the things present in the dining table. After then, you start your English from your home. You try to speak with your parents. You try to speak with your friends. You try to with your neighbors. You try to speak with your relatives. But it is very important. Someone at the time of speaking, someone criticize you. Let them criticize. Someone laugh at you. Let them laugh. It will be not impact of your mind if you increase your confidence level high. But you remember there are four skills in English. First, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Who is a good listener, he will be a good speaker. Who is a good speaker, he will be a good reader. Who will be a good reader, he will be a good writer. So if you try to something speak in English, you try from your beginning, from your morning to evening. There will be mistake, but that is, does not matter in spoken English. So if you try to speak something from today, you start to speak something in English. You will see after few days you will be able to speak with others in English instead of Odia or Hindi. Why we stress in English speaking? After your competition, after your study, you will be face so many interviews. The interviewers asking you different questions in English. But if you are unable to speak in English, you are disqualified. So, from your beginning, you start to speak in English. If you like my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks to all. In my channel, you will be learn different subjects we will be discuss. Thank you.